In this video, I'll show you how to create a pop-out zoom effect with a highlight in Camtasia. First, start by selecting the portion of the video you want to apply the effect to. I'll choose a 10-second segment as an example. Next, copy this selection and paste it on top of the original video track. Once you've done that, hide the main track to focus on the copied layer. Now, switch to crop mode and crop the video to isolate the area you want to highlight. With the crop track selected, add a zoom-in animation to emphasize the focus area. To enhance the effect, add a custom animation to the underlying track. Lower the opacity of this track to make it darker, creating a contrast when the cropped area zooms in. After that, apply the highlight effect to any text you want to stand out during the zoom. Finally, zoom out and restore the opacity of the main track to its default setting. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.